Have you ever been scrolling through Facebook, catching up on your friends' latest updates, only to be abruptly stopped by the dreaded Facebook session expired message? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're in the middle of something interesting. We've all been there. Suddenly you're locked out of your account and forced to log back in. What's the deal with this annoying interruption? This error message is more than just a minor inconvenience. It's a roadblock that prevents you from enjoying seamless social media interaction. Whether you're checking notifications, uploading photos, or simply browsing your newsfeed, encountering this error disrupts your flow and can be a real mood killer. In this article, we'll delve into the reasons behind this common issue and provide you with a clear, step-by-step guide to fix it. We'll empower you to regain control of your Facebook experience and say goodbye to those frustrating session expirations. So let's dive in and get you back to enjoying Facebook without any interruptions. In today's digital age, social media plays a significant role in our lives. It's our window to the world, a platform to connect with friends and family, and a source of news and entertainment. A smooth social media experience is crucial for staying connected and engaged. When technical glitches like Facebook session expired interrupt our social media flow, it impacts our ability to stay up to date and participate in online conversations. It's like hitting a speed bump while driving. It jolts you out of your rhythm and disrupts the journey. A seamless social media experience allows us to effortlessly navigate our online social circles, share our thoughts and experiences, and stay informed about the world around us. It's about staying connected without the frustration of technical roadblocks. So, what causes this Facebook session expired message to pop up and ruin your Facebook fun? Well, there are several possible culprits. One common reason is inactivity. If you haven't interacted with Facebook for a while, the platform automatically logs you out for security reasons. Another possibility is that you're logged into Facebook on multiple devices. Facebook limits the number of simultaneous logins to protect your account. If you try to log in from a new device, it might log you out of one of your existing sessions. Browser issues can also contribute to session expirations. Outdated browsers or issues with cached data can interfere with Facebook's functionality and lead to unexpected logouts. Now that we understand the common causes, let's walk through a simple guide to fix the Facebook session expired issue. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, try the simplest solution. Log back into your Facebook account using your email address or phone number and password. This usually does the trick. If that doesn't work, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes any temporary files that might be interfering with Facebook's functionality. If you suspect the issue stems from multiple device logins, review your active sessions in your Facebook settings. You can log out of sessions on devices you're not currently using. Congratulations! By following these simple steps, you've successfully resolved the Facebook session expired issue. You can now log back into your account and resume your social media activities without any interruptions. Enjoy catching up on your friends' posts, sharing your own updates, and exploring the vast world of Facebook. A smooth social media experience awaits. In this article, we've explored the common annoyance of the Facebook session expired message, delving into its causes and providing a straightforward solution. You now have the knowledge to troubleshoot this issue and regain control of your Facebook experience. Remember, a seamless social media experience is essential for staying connected and engaged in today's digital world. Don't let technical glitches like session expirations hinder your online interactions.